journey begins with a bus ride to the mountain passes and precipices. It took 8 hours from Hanoi and was mildly comfortable. Tickets were $500K each, but later by going straight to the bus driver, they'd be only $200 per person and bike. At the end of the ride, we find ourselves at the Cao Bang homestay in Cao Bang. Nice room, garden, and a large breakfast. Are we ready?
Yes.
You know how every cloud has a silver lining? Well, every hill has a downhill, and then another hill, and another one, and another one.
Whee! And up and up and up we went.
But I knew this drink can't kill me.
Getting ready? Coffee. Food. Pork. Eating. The 40-kilometer trip led us to the Tui Hua homestay. Comfortable rooms, hot showers, and a warm family. We still had energy to run around, play, and prepare before leaving in the morning. We arrived full of energy.
We were completely exhausted.
We'd have one whole day to explore the waterfalls.
Take a picture of me, I take a picture of you,
Okay,
and then
the waterfalls. It's rare that you get one of those monuments that are just really awesome, beautiful, amazing, and have a very small crowd. We could sit, we could observe, we could feel the majestic power of them, or we could sit and play games or make sandcastles. Here we are running the rocks, which is one of my favorite things to do from back in my hometown. Worn, battered, and beaten. Under the rain, I knew my wife wanted to kill me. In times of need, we resupply with choco pies and other nutritious food. Fire, pork, sausages, and french fries are essential with coffee. After flying down the hill, we made it back to the Tui Hua homestay, where they welcomed us with open arms and even an invitation to tent. We quickly cleaned up the Burley Bee and our bicycles and got ready for the next day's ride. But not before an amazing dinner and taking advantage of our host's expert makeup skills. Mama is slowly coming.
ready to go up the next hill?
Yeah, it's like a drum. In the end, it was a success.
I could cycle up the mountain without getting off the bike.
No hiccups or bang-ups happened to us.
I didn't die.
Now we're ready for the ride back to Europe. Yeah, giving it a bath. I dig that. I like that.